To be outside, man, it's a lovely feeling, man. And I'm just getting goosebumps thinking about it.
Kevin Jackson started his own landscaping company less than 3 years after promising me from his prison cell that he would. What kind of work do you want to do?
Landscaping. I just love being out in nature.
But no amount of hard work and sweat will get him what he really wants, his certificate of innocence, for the murder he wrongfully spent 23 years in prison for. The Cook County State's Attorney's Office opposed it even after an extensive reinvestigation report said there was significant evidence pointing to someone else as the shooter in the 2001 murder. And an appeals court that threw out his conviction in 2024 said there now remains no doubt under Illinois law that Mr. Jackson was wrongfully convicted in 2003 of crimes he simply did not commit.
It's making me relive what I had to go through when I was 19 years old.
And these aren't regular county prosecutors fighting Jackson's petition. The state's attorney's office has been hiring outside counsel to fight hard against certificate of innocence petitions like Jackson's. According to invoices obtained by the CBS News Chicago investigators from just June 5th to October 26th of 2025, that outside counsel was paid more than $50,000 just to fight Jackson's case. And that's only looking at 4 months out of a whole year.
It's surprising to me that this would be a case where the state's attorney would feel that it is so important to fight, that the office would choose to hire outside counsel at great expense to do so.
But Jackson's attorneys say his case is part of a much larger pattern. They're among a growing number of lawyers who believe this administration is routinely objecting to certificates of innocence.
It's like an earthquake. The change is so seismic that you could have gotten whiplash from it.
Attorney Jennifer Blagg represents another exoneree whose certificate of innocence is being challenged.
It's the only acknowledgement, really, that they get that they were wrong.
We spoke with Burke even before she was officially elected.
Austin Siegel with the Fair Courts Advocacy Organization Chicago Appleseed explained that while the certificate of innocence statute says that all evidence should point to their innocence, O'Neill Burke has said she believes there needs to be concrete, irrefutable evidence that the individual is innocent, like DNA evidence.
So not only is it unnecessary and harmful, but it doesn't even actually follow what the statute is saying should be the standard of proof in these cases.
You can present circumstantial evidence. We can point a finger to who did it. Every witness says, I didn't see that person do it. The cops coerced me. All the evidence points to innocence, but it's sort of akin to saying to someone, prove Santa Claus doesn't exist.
We reviewed 115 murder and attempted murder exonerations since 2016, where the case files were available, and found a dramatic shift in how the Cook County State's Attorney's Office handles certificates of innocence. Records show the office clearly contested 23% of eligible petitions under State's Attorney Kim Foxx, compared with 88% under State's Attorney Eileen O'Neill Burke to date. The Cook County State's Attorney's Office declined our request for an on-camera interview, sending us a statement saying, in part, "We carefully evaluate each certificate of innocence petition and assess the totality of the evidence on an individual basis. There is no blanket policy that informs our decisions in these matters." They also believe their approach follows state law.
Obviously, they're attorneys, they represent their clients just like we are, but ultimately their client is justice, and it does not feel like that's what they're seeking right here.
Well, how could you do 23 years when the surviving victims tells you that I'm not the shooter? It's ridiculous. Cruel.
Reporting on the far north side, Megan DeMar,
I'm reliving that all over again, and that's totally unfair.
CBS News Chicago investigators.